Hi, I'm going to make the masala lamb chop today. I have about 4 lamb chop. I have about 1 tablespoon of masala, half teaspoon of cumin. Maybe I'll put the masala in it first. 1 tablespoon of masala, half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of coriander, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, and half a teaspoon of garlic, half teaspoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. I'm going to put all in it. And then you mix. Okay, then I'm going to put all the lamb chop in it. Okay, that looks good, and you cover, put it in the fridge, and for overnight. And I did one already, and I already put it overnight. So I'm going to put it in the air fryer. And I don't put the oil in it because the lamb chop, they already have a lot of fat in it. Okay, put it in about 410 minutes for each side. So I'll be right back after 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes up, so I'm going to turn it over to other side. Okay, I'm going to put it in for another 10 minutes. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this is another 10 minutes already up, so looks good. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, that's I make today masala lamb chop.